One of the frequent questions that our readers ask is, shall I rush for IVF as my AMH levels are very low? Apparently, the egg reserve is an important factor for IVF success, and therefore, doctors feel a sense of urgency. But for you, the goal is getting pregnant, and for which low egg reserve is not an important factor. What is important for you is improving the quality of your eggs that you can achieve using three simple activities. One is taking a mouth-watering recipe that itself is capable of improving the quality of your egg beyond your imagination. When everyone is carried away by fear and anxiety, only intelligent people are vigilant and do the right things. I am sure you will stand firm and take the decisions based on your knowledge and wisdom. Anyway, let us get into our topic. Low AMH levels. What it means is this. AMH levels reflect the number of eggs entering into maturation process. Low AMH levels mean fewer number of eggs getting into the maturation process. In other words, low AMH levels is an indication of low egg reserve. Make no mistake. So, the women entering into menopause have low AMH levels. This is understandable and obvious. But if you are a woman in 30s and carry low AMH levels, it is the time to take immediate corrective measures to increase AMH levels. Here I want to tell you one important thing. Women with very low AMH levels can still get pregnant if the quality of egg is good. Hence, the goal of your fertility treatment should be enhancing the quality of your eggs. Is it possible to increase AMH levels naturally, or IVF is the only option? If your age is over 35 years, if you have low AMH levels and high FSH levels, if you have been told that your eggs are of poor quality, if you are recommended for IVF, or you have failed IVF cycles, you might be thinking that you have almost lost the chance of falling pregnant. Now you are at crossroads, not knowing what to do. If you have low AMH levels, what does it mean? If you are in advanced age, and obviously your egg reserve and its quality will come down. The AMH and FSH test result indicating the same. So why you give so much importance to these test results? Considering these facts, now the big question before you is whether you can conceive naturally or not. The straight answer to this question is this. Yes, you can conceive if you focus on restoring your overall health. But if you only focus on IVF treatment without changing your diets and a stressful lifestyle, the chance of getting pregnant is negligible. Look, IVF treatment doesn't improve the quality of your egg, and therefore the chance of getting pregnant is marginal. Even if you conceive, you may end up with miscarriage because the egg quality is poor. Yes, I know. You desperately longing to have children. This strong desire to become a mother is quite natural for any woman. You being a career-oriented woman, you have postponed your motherhood, and your body is not responding in tune with your intense desires. Does that mean you have to give up? Not at all. Your body has miraculous healing power. This miraculous power is enough to fulfill your wish. It is wise to depend on your body rather than your doctors. Observe the life around you. Pay attention to the plants nearby you. Are they stopping the growth of its leaves, flowers, and fruits? This is the truth. A wise gardener never focuses on leaves, flowers, and fruits. He only focuses on soil, water, and manure. Why doesn't the gardener focus on leaves, flowers, and fruits? Because he is wise and therefore focuses on setting the right conditions so that the plant grows on its own. If modern doctors have this wisdom, they don't scare you. They don't focus on conception. They will focus on creating the right conditions on your body. Now, let me ask you a question. Can you get pregnant naturally with low AMH levels? Of course, you can. You have abundant wisdom than your doctors. If a gardener can do things right, why can't you do? So, stop thinking about how to increase AMH levels. Stop thinking about what your doctor says. Stop thinking about what others says. Hereafter, your focus should be on creating the right conditions in your body and mind. In simple terms, you are feeding the body the right nutrients. You are feeding your mind with the feelings of improving your health and improving your egg health. And here is what to do now. I am giving 3 simple tips that enhance your egg health and increase your AMH levels naturally. Here are the 3 tips to increase AMH levels. Tip number 1. Do regular exercise and take calorie restricted diets. Cutting calories coupled with exercise is a scientifically proven strategy to add more life into your body. Remember that eggs are life-creating materials, and therefore any deficiency of vitality and energy in the eggs render them ineffective. Calorie-restricted diets and regular exercise enhances your cell metabolism, rejuvenate and bring vitality into your eggs. Hence, changing your dietary regimen and adapting to a new lifestyle with exercise should be the first line of corrective measure to increase AMH levels. Tip number 2. Take bone marrow soup. According to ancient Chinese, bone marrow soup is proven to replenish your egg quality. You will find this in all Chinese medicinal cookbooks. Bone marrow soup also very helpful in improving the thickness of the uterus lining. Bone marrow soup is made by simmering the bones and connective tissues of animals. This highly nutritious stock is commonly used in soups and sauces. So, prepare bone building stock 10 to 14 cups. Once you have made the stock, simply add ingredients you prefer. Veggies such as mushrooms, carrots, Chinese cabbage or kale, or meat such as shrimp, chicken, beef or pork. Season with salt or soya sauce to taste. You can also make one large batch and freeze the broth to use later. Link to full recipe is given in the description. Tip number 3. Take DHEA supplementation. DHEA are the hormones that regulate fat and mineral metabolism, sexual and reproductive function, and energy levels. DHEA levels increase until our mid to late 20s, then gradually start to decline. DHEA supplementation can certainly be beneficial, but it is highly recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before supplementing, and it should be monitored regularly with lab work. To sum up, low AMH levels is an indication of low egg reserve and poor quality of your eggs. The only way you can improve egg reserve quality and AMH levels by changing the diet and lifestyle. I end this video with a request to download our free report, How Not to Remain Infertile. Discover the right way to reverse infertility and conceive without struggling for years and trying hard. Link is given in the description.